guys, welcome to another day in my startup journey. Today, I was invited to an amazing event at IIM Bangalore hosted by JAR. So, I'm back at IIM Bangalore. Today is mix of everything, and today we do have a stand-up comedy as well. And one of my key inspiration will be joining in this event. I won't reveal it yet. So let's go. But we don't know Alex. So Alex, introduce yourself.
I'm Alex. I do freelance and client acquisition for B2B companies. I'm also doing my engineering in Christ University right now.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi. Alex.
I am? क्या? I love you too, bro. बस कौन कौन जानता है मेरे को इधर? बढ़िया फेमस तो हूँ मैं, मतलब है ना, ये बात नहीं है। नमस्ते सर, हाउ आर यू सर? आती भी है, मैं सीख लेता हूँ सर। सीखो सर। आपको आती है सर कन्नड़? नहीं, आप बैंगलोर से हो? मैं लाइन मारा, मैं बोला विल यू गो आउट ऑन डेट विद मी? कहती आई डोंट डेट फैट गाइस। मैंने बोला तुझे कैसे मालूम? तो कहती कलाइयां भी तो मोटी मोटे। मैं उसको वापस लाके छोड़ दिया। हाँ, वो बोली ऐसा क्यों किया? मैं बोला जैसे लिमिट क्रॉस किया ना, वैसे रोड क्रॉस कर।
So the way we are at a very interesting. Let's go first with you. It's the same. Politically incorrect. It's okay. I will still call you. You'll still be my friend.
No, I think the
people that I like, let's say if I speak with people from Bengali or Kannada, naturally you try to speak in that language.
People can relate it. The one question that you always need to answer when you are about to win Bharat.
Thank you for that. Speaking of the best, guess who's in the house? Clap!
One more minute, Danish, because he's been there since the start, and I met him a few days back, and उसने बोला कि भाई क्या करना है? मैंने कहा ऐसे भारत के ऊपर, इंडिया के ऊपर, अलग अलग स्टेट्स के ऊपर आपका सेट भी ऐसा ही है, तो बोल रहा क्या नहीं बोलना है? मैंने कहा बस 2-3 चीजों का ख्याल रखना कि रिलीजियस जोक नहीं बोल रहा है। बोला ठीक है भाई, कोई बात नहीं, जेल थोड़ी जाना है। तो फिर मैंने बोला यार ठीक है, सेक्सिस्ट जोक मत मारना। बोला हाँ ठीक है भाई, जेल थोड़ी जाना है। फिर यार और कौन सा पॉलिटिकल जोक नहीं मारना है, वैसे जेल थोड़ी जाना है। तो मैंने उसको इतनी चीजें बोल दी कि ये नहीं करना है, तो मुझे बोलता है कि पैनल डिस्कशन में बिठा लेते ना मेरे को। Guys, we have Danish in the house. I am nervous right now because the man owns the stage. Improv का कोई अगर मास्टर है इंडिया में, तो then it is Danish. And improv is one of the most difficult forms of stage performances, I think. And since he's here, तो मेरी बढ़ रही है कि मैं बात भी क्या करूँ? You can just take it over, man. But who am I talking to? Am I talking to Mr. Nags? Or am I talking to humble politician Nagaraj? I would say.
I think these are all extensions of me. Firstly, hi, good evening, everyone. Thanks for having me here, Akash. Thank you, Nischay and the team at JAR for having me here. I think you're speaking to someone who's created these wonderful characters because I was never confident in being myself. And I always wanted an alibi to kind of jump onto and
Oh, acha. Okay. We got hoodies again.
No, they are leaving. No, I don't think so.
this. Yeah, see the
Fun or something? No, bro. How you?
idea. I'm traveling in metro. Let's see. I mean,
It's so far, right?
So far. This is how college looks at 10 p.m. Dude.
it's great. It's going great. Let's see what's ahead. Yeah. Thank God, no, we are.
But to be honest, it is looking like a. We are done with the event, back with the same old guy.
Yeah. Again.
Again. Hopefully, we'll catch another event.
I hope.
This is how we spend our weekends. So, just networking, pure talks, startup insights. Yeah. We still have to figure out a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And it will take time.
Yeah, definitely. Okay then, bye. Experience, a mix of everything. We had an insightful panel discussion to some hilarious stand-up comedy by Comic Arvin and an inspiring art of storytelling by Danish said. The vibe was incredible. I even got a chance to meet Comic Arvin and take a photo with him. The first thing he asked me was, "Do you know Kannada?" Funny that I said, "Yes, I'm from Bangalore." Later, I also met Danish said. It was amazing to see how he creates his iconic character, Mr. Nags, and how he connects so well with the people while endorsing his brands. His energy and authenticity really inspired me. So, alright, that's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, make sure to share and subscribe because I'll be bringing you more vlogs every week as I document my startup journey.